Ready to explore Murang'a County like never before? We are diving into 2 epic waterfalls and taking a scenic loop around a giant dam. And trust me, you are going to want to see this. Stay tuned for the adventure. Hi guys, welcome back to Wanderlyke, your to-go channel for outdoor adventures. It's another day, another adventure. We are heading to Muranga. Just a normal drive. I hope to see 2 waterfalls on our way to the place. And yeah, so come with me. Let's explore that side of the town.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. But you like to drink cheap. Should've known the first moment you're out of my league. But you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I said? I'll never know, I'll never know.
Hi guys, are you enjoying the ride? I am. This road is therapeutic for me, for someone who comes from the other side of town. It's green and lush, nini nini, and there are very many corners. If you're coming here, usikuja na speed sana. Take it slow and enjoy the scenery. Murang'a County holds a special place in Kenya's history. It's often referred to as the cradle of the Gikuyu community, the largest ethnic group in the country. The lush hills and rivers here have sustained generations to generations. And today, the county is best known for its waterfalls, tea farms, and the mighty Ndakaini Dam that supplies Nairobi with most of its water. Hey you guys, I am surprised, I am mesmerized with this road trip to this place. Kunakaa vizuri. For someone who's used to vumbi and dust and everything, this is beautiful. It's a really beautiful place. And we are almost at the first waterfall, Kanunga. We are in Kanunga town. And
Google Maps inakuwa na ufala sana. Reverse.
Where is it?
Pale mbele.
Oh.
Sitakwambia ifai kuwa rough road.
Tumepotezwa na Google Map but tumeuliza locals, so wacha turudi hivi tutafute njia. Once we figured out the right route, we chose to start with the farthest waterfall and come back to Kanunga.
Bad girl, backbreaker. She a belly dance, she a entertainer. She make that ripple, every man want take her. And every time you see me give thanks for her, make her. Bad girl, PSA, she got a rocket engine in a full container. She a got no time for the hater. She a professional, she herself be a teacher. She make me one single, just like Shitty on a single. You better be single, so know that you know how the thing go. Come here, let's bingo. Right in front of them people. Give it to you straight and simple. Oh Lord, look at that dimple, I like the line. Not that dimple drive me high. That can team we mesmerize. If you know be you, not nobody will like the line. Not that dimple I define. Not that dimple drive me high.
Entrance is 200 shillings per person, with payment done strictly through M-Pesa pay bill. Around the property, you'll find these sitting areas like this one, designed to reflect how the Wazees once gathered to discuss village matters back in the day.
If you know be you, not nobody will like the line.
Twin Falls from a distance. Wow, it looks so beautiful. We're heading down there. We are almost at the waterfall. Come. Wow, it's beautiful.
Don't make it easy at the struggle. Turn up my switch like that. Turn up my brain like that. You carry go. The way you just sweet me as someone. Be my sugar madam. You make my temperature the rising by the concentration you dedicate. She make me one single. Just like Shitty on a single. You better be single. So know that you know how the thing go. Come here, let's bingo. Right in front of them people. Give it to you straight and simple. Oh Lord, look at that dimple. Who I like the line. Not that dimple drive me high. That can thing we mesmerize. If you know be you, not nobody will like the line. Not that dimple.
It's so nice, so refreshing, so calm. Yeah. And there are two. One, two. The waterfalls are two.
And I like what the local have done with the place. It looks more presentable.
And they have banana, so I don't know how. This place is magical.
Is that
Around 40 40 to 45 minutes drive from Nairobi. Bring yourself here.
Yeah, it's very nice. To Russia, Twin Falls.
Yeah. You remember him?
K2 the brand.
Lazima tutembee.
Pamoja.
Yeah.
Kenya mzee.
Kenya mzee. Lazima tuoneshe Kenya venye ni kurembo. So we are heading back to the car park and we go to the next waterfall, which is
Kanunga.
Kanunga. Yes.
The famous Kanunga.
The famous Kanunga.
The most photographed waterfall in Kenya.
Wacha tuende tuone if it's true. So this place also has Mau Mau caves in one area. That's a plus. 2 waterfalls and caves for you to see.
Does this place have an history?
There's a what?
History.
Huh?
History.
Yeah, definitely. During the colonial period, Mau Mau fighters used such places to hold secret meetings on how to challenge the government. These caves were crucial as the thick walls kept their conversations hidden from the outside world. There are plenty of activities you can enjoy here, from camping, hiking, to agritourism, or simply connecting with nature. For those who love silence and the soothing sound of the wild, carry a book or a journal and let your thoughts flow. If you visit, be sure to ask for a guide so you can experience it all. We are back on the road. We are heading to the second waterfall, the famous Kanunga Waterfall. Hey, adventure after adventure. Trust us to find those places for you and make sure you come. Yes.
It's very accessible by there.
Very accessible.
Next to the roads.
Exactly 74 kilometers from Nairobi. You find yourself here. A good place to chill and relax and soak in Mother Nature. One waterfall a weekend keeps the doctor away or keeps the stress away. However you want it to be. The walk down is pretty easy, but when we got there, the place was packed. And yes, our DJ was already spinning. Trust Kenyans to turn anywhere into a party. If you love peace and quiet, this might not be your vibe. So maybe try visit on a weekday when it's less busy. Either way, the whole point is to be outside. However, how you choose to enjoy it is up to you. Do whatever makes you happy and always remember to protect nature. We are just from the waterfall and I love Kenyans. I really love Kenyans. Me being one of them. Tunapenda sherehe. Good music, the sound of the water. That was perfect. That was perfect. And I'm happy. Kenyans are embracing outside. Mother Nature. Mother Nature is blessing all of us.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe
We are at Mushiri Hotels, just few minutes from Kanunga, and from here you can already see the dam. It's so beautiful, very nice, and from a distance it's the Aberdares. So we are here for lunch and for the views of the dam. Is ordered. Let's go to where we can see the dam. Ah, it's so beautiful from this seat.
Oh, you nimepata.
What's up?
Chakula
No.
Okay. Kwa hata ameonja kasi.
Ina slap.
I also want to try this fruits. This is a new thing to me. Let's wash it and then have a higher.
There's no need of washing, but these city girls.
Come on. First time trying it.
It's here.
Wow.
I'm not even washing them.
Wow.
I'm not even washing them.
Wow.
Told you.
But if I can remember, we used to eat these things when we were young. Hey guys, this thing is yummy. It's called what?
Look what.
Look what.
Kaproti maguta tuwezi nunua pale ndani.
Sasa there are things zilikuwa zinazomea kwa shamba mtu ndio hauzipandangi nini.
It's natural. No way.
Zinagorea hizi hazikuwa ni venye sana with time zimeanza kufanywa cash crop. That's why unakabwe kako kamechuna kana kama kanauza.
Nakiwa ni pesa.
You're in heaven.
Kaniacha. Hizo mwisho.
This moment right here brought back so many childhood memories. We couldn't resist getting more. The fruits were juicy and the tree was free for everyone to take as much as they wanted. We headed down to get a better view of Ndakaini Dam and just relax for a bit. The dam itself is a restricted area, so access to it is limited. But the nearby restaurants along the bank offer a fantastic view from a distance, and it's just as worthwhile. Did you know Ndakaini Dam is also known as Thika Dam? Was commissioned in 1991. Construction began in 1989 and was completed in 1994. Has a reservoir capacity of 70 million cubic meters. The dam impounds the Thika River and is fed by Gikuyu and Gikuyu rivers. Serving as Nairobi's primary water source, it supplies clean water to over 85% of the city's residents. Isn't this beautiful? This dam feeds Nairobi city and its environs. So it's a protected area and no trespassing is allowed, no filming, no photography. But there are quite a number of restaurants just around it, and you can come to those restaurants and still have this view. So beautiful, so beautiful. We ordered fries since it was the quickest option on the menu. The other dishes will take 40 to 1 hour, and we didn't have that kind of time. I added scrambled eggs, and the total came to 400 shillings. The fries were delicious and a generous portion. Highly recommended if you are looking for a quick bite. After leaving Mushiri's, we decided to do a loop drive around the Ndakaini Dam to catch a glimpse of it from all angles. We spotted 2 more waterfalls from a distance, the kind only locals can take you to. This place is definitely the hub of it all. Murang'a County is truly magical. If you call this home, comment down below and let me know other waterfalls I should explore here.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. We were nothing alike and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know.
Being in Murang'a reminded me how powerful it is to disconnect and just enjoy nature. Whether it's chasing waterfalls or soaking in the view of Ndakaini Dam, there is magic everywhere. Take this video as your sign to explore Murang'a. The magic awaits you. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. If this video resonates with you, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, welcome to the wandering side. Subscribe so that you don't miss any adventure. Until next time, keep wandering.